Namaste, dear children. How are you all? I hope you are all very safe at home. Be safe and be strong, children. And welcome back to my class of social science. Lesson number 10 Soils of India. In our previous class, what we have learned? We have learned about soils, importance of soils, formation of soils. Today we are going to discuss the types of soil found in India. Today we are going to learn types of soil. Okay. Let's see types of soil. There are 6 main type of soil found in India. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, mountain soil. What are they? Is alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. First, let's see alluvial soil. What is mean by alluvial soil? Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil. It is made up of fine silt deposited by the rivers. In your previous classes, already we have learned about the alluvial soil. The river of the northern plain bring with them large quantities of silt and alluvium. This soil is very fertile and is called alluvial soil. It is found in the northern plains and in the deltas of the eastern coastal plains. Where we can see this type of soil, children, is this soil found in northern plains and deltas of the eastern coastal plain. Clear, children? Yes. This soil is good for growing variety of crops like wheat, godumai, rice, arisi, pulses, பயிறு வகைகள், oil seeds, jute, fruits and vegetables. Let's learn about a black soil. This is the image of black soil. See this image, children? Yes. Black soil is made of volcanic lava. It gets its black color due to presence of lime and iron. This soil found in northwestern part of southern plateau. The black soil is good for growing cotton and sugarcane. This type of soil found in the central and northwestern part of southern plateau. Most of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh and part of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka and Rajasthan have this soil. We can see this soil in these states: Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka and Rajasthan. Okay. It is very good for growing cotton and sugarcane. It is very good for growing cotton and sugarcane. The black soil is formed from the lava. Where we get lava, children? Yes, we can get the lava from volcanoes. Understand, children? எரிமலை இருக்குல்ல, அது வரும்போது லாவா நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். அதுலேருந்து தான் இந்த black soil நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். Okay, good. Red soil. Let's learn about red soil. This is the image of red soil. Red soil gets its color due to presence of iron. Because of the iron presence only, the soil get a red color. Yes. Okay. Clear? It is found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, part of Andhra Pradesh. It is not as fertile as alluvial or black soil. In this soil, millets, groundnuts, pulses, coffee, tea and rubber are grown in the soil. Right, children? Yes. Let's see about a laterite soil. This is the image of laterite soil. Have you seen the soil? Yes, good children. Laterite soil is found in western Ghats and parts of Tamil Nadu. It is rich in iron and aluminium and is red in color. What is the color of the laterite soil? This soil also in red in color. It is good for growing tea, coffee, spices, coconut and rubber. Okay, let's see about desert soil. A desert soil contains mostly sand. Is in our previous class we have studied about the desert, isn't it? Yes. A desert, we can see in the desert full of soil only. The soil only covered in the desert. The desert soil contains mostly sand. It is found mainly in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Sandy soil cannot hold much water. Okay, it cannot hold much water. It is therefore not fertile. Here humus substance is not there, so this soil is not fertile. Okay, right? Let's see about mountain soil. Mountain soil is very rich in organic matter and humus. What is humus, children? Is humus makes the soil is very fertile. Yes, it helps to grow plants very well. Yes, it makes the soil very fertile. Humus. Humus is the remains of dead plants and animals. Depositing of the dead plants and animals makes the humus. Yes, already we have learned in the previous lessons. Yes, it is found in the Himalayan region and in the hilly areas of Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Children, let's recall all the concepts. Okay, soil is an important natural resource. The 6 main type of soil found in India are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. The different soil are grow for growing different crops. Children, I hope you all understand the concept of this video. Yes, your assignment is, you will get worksheet. You have to finish the worksheet and send it in your WhatsApp group. Dear parent, thank you for your support. We need your cooperation also. Kindly make your children to see this video and make them to understand the concept also. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Ram Ram. Namaste.